Hello everyone, today I will be telling you about a very important topic, that is bubble sort. In bubble sort, what happened? We have a list of data in which only two are swapped between each other, right? Like, for example, suppose we have data 6, 10, 15, 8 and 3. So in this, the two elements will be taken care of, like two would be swapped between each other, right? First of all, the bubble means we consider two elements as a bubble and we swap the between two. So bubble sorting I've already I must tell you before in my videos I've told about merge sort and quick sort. Sorting means to sort the data either in ascending or in descending order. So in this we have to sort the data. So like 6 and 10 is being the swapping will be take. Is it 6 greater than 10? No, it is not greater. So in that case 6 will remain. So no swapping will take place. No swapping at this end. So the data would be 6, 10, 15, 8 and 3. Then the swapping of 10 and 15 takes place. Is 10 greater than 15? No, it is not greater. So again, no swapping will take place. Then again the data 10, 15, 8 and 3. Then is 15 greater than 8? Yes, it is greater. So swapping will take place here. So the data would be 6, 10, 8 and then 15 and then 3. Again swapping will take place here. So again swapping will be there. The data will be 6, 10, 8, 3 and 15. This is for one pass. This is first pass. First pass means in a single passing what happens to the data. Now when we come to the second pass, now what happens? The last digit, if I talk about the second pass, in bubble sort only, this becomes the last element will become the first here, 6, 10, 8, 3 and 15. This I am talking about the second pass, fine? Now I am talking about the second pass of bubble sort. Now what happened? Again 6 and 10 is being compared. Is 6? No, it is not. So it is smaller actually. So it will remain as it is. So 6, 10, 8, 3, 15. Then which one is smaller? 8 is smaller. So swapping will take place. And then what happened would be 6, 8, 10, 3 and 15. Again there will be compared. Again swapping will take place. Then it would be 6, 8, 3, 10, 15. Again in this case there is no swapping now. Right? So this comes to be the second pass. If I talk about the third pass, what will happen is, now this will become 6, 8, 3, 10, 15. This is the third pass. So when I talk about again two elements in bubble sort will be considered 6 and 8. This is fine, so no swapping. So 6, 8, 3, 10 and 15. In this, this would be there or this would be there? Of course, I just did intentionally this thing to let you know that it is not that we are doing the pairing. We are doing the first element and the second. So this is not right. Actually the right one is this. So 6, 8 and 3, there is a swapping. So swapping will take place in bubble sort. So it will be 6, 3, 8, 10 and 15. So again there will be swapping between this. 6, 3, is there a swapping in this case? If I consider then there is no swapping. just be 10, 15. Then if I do this thing, again no swapping. So total like this way, again a fourth pass will be there, right? This way, the fourth pass element would be like the entry would be 6, 3, 8, 10 and 15. This is the fourth pass. Okay, this is the fourth pass. Just rub this out. This is the last pass which I feel in bubble sort, in which the all list would be sorted finally. So it would be again the swapping 3, 6, 8 and 10 and 15. So this is the final answer. Right? In this you can see this is the whole bubble sort has been done, in which two are being swapped with each other. So thank you. I think you got the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.